Oh, I guess that must be dead. Same as that one. Anyhow, it's raining. Get this homemade welder for 50 bucks. I got a homemade air compressor and a homemade welder. But it's pouring, so I'm going in. Bye. Next on the agenda is this welder that someone made back in the day. So I kinda think that engine might be worth something. I don't know. Like, I don't even know how you find out. I guess you just look up the serial number, maybe. I don't even know what. Oh, wait, what do we got? It's a 9-horse, 4-cycle Briggs and Stratton. So, yeah, I'll look that thing up, I guess. And, but no, it's not seized. So, like, I know there's going to be a good load of copper, even just in the cable. Like, that's going to be fun. Well, we'll see what we get. This thing's too heavy for me to move around, so I'm just going to scrap it right here. I just pulled it off the tailgate onto its cover, and yeah, I'll just at least get the welder part off and all that cable, and we'll get that weighed up and see what we get. Now I gotta go put it up into its holder. Okay, so we're going to just record over this while it's boring. Well, I mean, it's scrapping, so usually it's boring, but... So this is just me tearing the welder apart from above.
It does look boring to me.
Can you imagine if it wasn't sped up 10 times?
No, I honestly have no idea why you do this, and I just can't imagine it.
Really?
No.
But look at... So I got all those
what?
copper lines out there.
You know what I'd like to imagine? What? Imagine your hands work that fast in real life. Imagine that was actually regular time. And then imagine you would get done. Look at what you just did there.
You can't swear.
What are you talking about? I said, what swear word did I say?
You said sh.
No, I was making the sound of your hand doing
No, you said imagine the sh you could get done.
You can't say sh that word either.
You can't swear on it.
Well, you have to bleep that out.
Maybe I can. I don't know. Hey,
of course
stop
you can.
that. Well, I don't know if I can or not.
Do you really want to be having it domestic for your special video?
I'm going to try to bleep it out. I just have never tried it before.
Cool, try hard.
I guess
Otherwise,
I could probably...
this is all for naught.
All right. Well, anyways, when it gets to where I pop that, this is the welder part out, then I'm going to stop the recording, because then it's going to go to where I'm doing the wire and weighing. But
Will there be warning? Or are you just
you'll see how this is
stop?
See how this is getting loose?
I guess.
And then all of a sudden you'll see it pop out, and then I'm going to hit the stop button here. There. Are you not playing anymore?
I am.
Okay, so I made a mistake and we weren't done that at the last part. Now it's just going to pull this off, and then we're going to be done. Then it's going to... This is the motor, and I'm explaining about the motor, but Scrapping Irish is in the background. So now I've taken the volume out, because after you're swearing, I had to learn how to do that. So now the volume's out. This is just me explaining that there's 30 bolts on one end and 30 hex bolts on the other end. And then there's 30 screws that were all in there since probably the 1940s or 50s, whenever welders were invented.
Fascinating.
Anyhow, so then after this, I'm just explaining how I've given up. I spent a half an hour trying to get it apart, and I just gave up. I'm going to sell it as a copper motor. This I wanted to show you because look what I'm wearing.
You're wearing the gloves.
They're cut-proof gloves.
Yeah, good. Finally. Jeez, it's amazing that you have 5 fingers to put into those gloves. At least 5. You've got another 5 on the other hand.
These are the cables that came off the welder.
Are you ignoring me? I'm just talking about safety. Safety first.
And I was just pointing out that I was being
Finally.
safe this one time.
And henceforth.
This is the cable from the welder. There was, I'm going to show here in a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
There was quite a bit of copper just in those. Almost enough to pay back
Wow.
the investment on the welder and the other thing there, the air compressor.
Cool. Is it too much?
Why are you being so facetious?
I'm not being facetious.
This is-
I'm trying to
watch,
make it
this is me
interesting.
this
You don't
is-
appreciate me.
This is, if I didn't appreciate it, I
That's
wouldn't
a nice,
even have
clear
invited-
camera. Look at how nice that picture is.
And that's after dropping it so many times.
Oh.
But look at that black wire, but then copper.
Ooh.
It must have been burnt as a welding.
Did that not sound
Yeah.
sincere?
Oh yeah, yeah. No, totally sincere.
It was. I said, woo.
Anyways, now I'm showing the copper again. That's on another piece. See how cracked and old that cable is?
Terrible.
I know, it's crazy. And the guy was like, oh, that might work. I was like, no, I am not trying
Jesus.
that. This is the wire stripper because once I got the main lead cable done, then these other cables,
Do these shots have to be so close?
they don't have to be, but you've seen what the shop looks like.
Ah, touche.
Okay, so now I got the wire stripper all dialed in here.
It just
And
feels so intimate.
oh, you're gonna make this fun. See, look
Well,
at that.
good.
Oh, bam! Now we're at the wing. Oh wait, we gotta stop. So I fumbled there, but anyways, it didn't matter that we went into this because this is just me fumbling more copper. I put way too much in. You know how that scale can only do 11 pounds?
Wow, it's ticking.
Yeah, so
I like your really flat
toilet.
scientific surface, which is super important for a good measurement.
That's the original toilet from
This
that
is
theater.
who I live with, people. This is who I live with. Carry on.
Anyhow. Yeah. Okay. So that is 3,098 grams. Okay, so that's 3,098 grams. Tear. And this is 2,446 grams. That's the cable out of there. Oh. $217 grams of the solid copper. I've got these clamp things too, but I don't know. I guess that's brass on the bottom. Yeah, I don't know. I'll probably just keep those as they are. That can all go in here. Sorry for the abrupt ending. Now let's take you to the greatest day of the year. Why is it the greatest day of the year?
Because the fire bands came off.
Fire bands came off today.
Yay. This is my jam.
This is it. There's Banks, who has no friends. Got the old scrap moho. I know, I can't believe that thing was going to the scrapyard.
48,000 kilometers on it.
Yeah,
That's
48,000 kilometers. That's right.
Kilometers.
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 Oh, look at the. I better not say it. That's
Don't say it.
That's
Don't
inappropriate.
Say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it.
Anyhow, $500. Saved it from the scrapyard. Again, sorry for the inappropriate, abrupt endings.
I'm not
Bye.
good at this.
Bye.